Welcome to my channel everyone. Today let's unbox the most used thing or equipment in our daily life, that is a USB cable which we use to charge our smartphone. So without any further delay, let's get started with the unboxing. First we have the invoice of ₹99, as I have bought during a deal where this product normally costs around 300 to 400 rupees. And here is the package with the image of the product. It is a 6 feet long braided cable. On the back we have some details of the product, which says high strength as it's made from Kevlar material, long lasting cause it's nylon braided, 6 feet long, high speed 2.4 amps fast charging and data transfer, tangle free and safe and secure, USB IF compliant. Now let's check the cable itself. Let me untie it first. And we have the MIVI branding on both of the port. The cable is really hard and seems to be unbreakable. Here you can have a closer look of the braided material. And now let's have a quick charging test. I have connected the USB to my Quick Charge 2 compatible charger. And yes, it is providing a fast charging rate. You can see the turbo power connected pop up on the phone. So that's all in this video guys, thanks for watching, and if you have any query regarding this product, please comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Shark Box.